Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling how to use Grammarly Go in 2025. If you're a writer, student, or professional looking to polish your content with cutting-edge AI, this guide is perfect for you. Grammarly Go is the latest evolution of Grammarly's tools, offering smarter suggestions, real-time corrections, and even AI-generated content to make your writing effortless. First off, let's start with the basics. What exactly is Grammarly Go? It's an AI-powered writing assistant that's been upgraded for 2025, focusing on advanced features like context-aware suggestions and seamless integration across devices. To get started, visit the Grammarly website or download the app. If you're new, sign up for a free account. It's quick and easy. Once logged in, you'll see a clean interface where you can start typing or paste your text. Now, dive into the core features. As you type, Grammarly Go automatically scans for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors, highlighting them in real time with helpful suggestions. For instance, it can suggest rephrasing awkward sentences or improving clarity. One of the standout updates in 2025 is the AI writing mode. Just describe what you need, like, write a professional email, and it generates drafts for you to customize. Next, explore integrations. Grammarly Go works smoothly with apps like Google Docs, Microsoft Word, and even your web browser. Enable it once, and it checks your writing everywhere. Don't forget the tone adjuster, a new 2025 feature that analyzes and suggests tweaks to match your audience, whether it's formal for business or casual for social media. To make the most of it, always review AI suggestions for accuracy, as context matters. Pro tip: use the premium features if you need more advanced options, like plagiarism checks. Wrapping up, Grammarly Go is a game changer for efficient writing. Give it a try and watch your productivity soar. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.